Hi Ganesh Reddy, good evening. Hi Anusha, good evening. Uh, Hi Prashant, good evening. Hi Partosh, good evening. Hi Sai Milam, good evening. Hi Srinivas Modeti, good evening. Hi Srinivas Reddy, good evening. Hi Shivshankar, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Just wait for 2 minutes, 3. Rajita, good evening. Veer Babu, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Chandu, good evening.
Good evening, good evening.
Done with your office?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. So Lokesh, good evening. Effectively, that means you can do 2 jobs, right? Lokesh, sorry, Lokesh means Chandu. Early
Sorry?
morning, that means you can have a ability or you have a time to make to do. I mean to continuously do 2 jobs in a day because your day starting too early, right?
Yes, yes.
Hi Lokesh, good evening. Hi Tarun, good evening. Just wait for 2 more minutes. 6:05 will start the session.
Good evening.
Pranit, good evening. Pranit, good evening. Deepika, good evening.
Good
Nuri, good
evening.
evening. Good evening. Nuri, good evening. Sanjay Patil said your name. Forget it. Sorry again.
It's okay. Good evening. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good. Akash Vardhan, good evening. Just last 1 minute. We'll wait. We'll start the session, guys. Last 1 minute. We will start the session.
Yeah, I just want to know, is a Power Query is part of our curriculum?
Not yet, sir. Not really. But I
Okay.
think recently it came.
But
The
you'll just
power.
touch up, right? You'll just
If
touch up
time
on that.
permits, I will do that.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
If you allow me, no, in the given time, it may not be possible. If you allow me more time and all over the weekend, if you take any, if you suggest me, if you help me take the weekend evening class somewhere like that, I am able to.
Okay. As a separate classes, or it's part of this?
Part of the, I mean, extra class.
Okay, I just want to have suggestion from you, or I just want to ask you, or could you design a program for data cleaning, maybe a 7 days or 10 days? Is possible with you?
Anyhow, I'm starting this Saturday onwards NLP. NLP course,
NLP, eh?
natural language processing.
Okay,
We
that is a part
can
of data cleaning. So data
for
cleaning is
text
included
cleaning.
in that,
Text cleaning will be text data will be included.
but that will be based on Python, right?
Correct. You want Excel?
Yeah. Excel, I'm talking about Excel.
Excel data cleaning will be covered in this course.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Hmm.
So this is exactly what I was talking other day. I wanted to know. Okay.
Excel data
Anyway,
cleaning
great,
will be
great.
Excel data cleaning will be covered.
Okay, that's great to hear.
Yeah. Shall we start the session, guys? Shall we start the session?
Yes.
Yes.
Sanath, good morning, good evening.
Good evening,
Sorry,
sir.
there are the people from different regions, so sometimes I say good morning, good evening. Don't mind. Yeah.
Sir, yesterday you had suggested no to prepare a data set.
Uh,
So I have prepared it. Like whenever you suggest, like I'll just share and show you.
we will discuss in end of that today. If not tomorrow, we will discuss
Okay, sir. No issues.
because I need to jump into another meeting at 7:30 today. If time permits, today we'll discuss. Otherwise, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay. Let's start the session, guys, without any delay. Hi, guys. Good evening, all. In yesterday's session, what we discussed in yesterday's session? Yesterday, we were discussed in detail about what we discussed yesterday. Can anyone guess what we discussed yesterday?
Print option and cell identification.
Print option, cell identification, right? And we discussed about the ribbon. Am I right?
Yes.
We discussed about the ribbon, and we have seen the some keywords. What are the different keywords? Now, in the screen, what is this? We are discussing. We are going to discuss a topic today is called basic formatting. How are we going to format the data or anything? Now, what about this one? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Borders.
Sorry, what is this?
Borders.
And borders,
Grids. Grids. Yeah.
grids.
Table.
Exactly, table, right? Table, right? We have a rows and columns, right? In the table, we have formatted. In the table, these will be columns. These will be one row, second row, third row. This is the A column, B column, and C column. What about particular this one? What about this one?
Cell.
Cell.
Cell. Now, our first topic, without waiting anything, how to format the cell. I want to, no, okay, let's discuss. I want to increase the size of the cell. How do you do? I want to format the background of the cell. Background color I want to format. So what I'm going to focus in today's session. So the learning agenda for us in today's session, how to format the particular cell and its content, how to cell alignment, how I want to make right, left, merge or wrap text, cell styles, right? How to format the cells, insert the background image, change theme, hide or unhide the row and column index. How do you do that? This is the major topic we are going to discuss in today's class. Okay, let's understanding, without discuss, without wasting the time. We have a multiple option to change or to feel about the cell. We will discuss about the font face, color, style or size, number format, alignment, merge, cell background color, cell body style. I want to increase the height and width. These are the different things. If I start explaining, you'll not understand anything theoretically. So we will discuss the first option. Let's go to the Excel. Let's go to the Excel. First, I'm going to change the font style, make it bold, change the color to red, and size of the font must be 16. This is the point I'm going to discuss. Okay, what is the point I'm going to discuss? The first point, change the font style. Okay, let me take this into the new Excel sheet. This is what I want to discuss. So I want to go to the home tab. What kind of shortcut we can use? Tell me. What kind of shortcut are we going to use? Yesterday also I discussed. What shortcut are we going to use? Come on, come on.
Alt.
Alt. So the moment you press the Alt, so what is the shortcut for home? What is the
Alt H.
shortcut for Alt
Alt
H?
H, sir.
So the moment you press the Alt H, it will give you the shortcuts, or it will suggest the what is the different shortcuts, right? Other way around, I can press the Control 1. So I can press the Control 1. It will give the number, alignment, and everything. Different things will give. So first, change the font style. So I am writing a word called data vision. So this data vision, this is the cell. Where we have written the data vision, tell me. Where we have written the data vision, guys? Where we have written the data vision?
D5.
D5. Data vision we have written at the D5. Data vision we have written at the D5. So once you have written the data vision, so once you have written the data vision, let's understand about the one by one method. So in the data vision, okay, this is the cell. I want to change the format of this cell. In order to perform that, what I'm going to here, I have Alt H. Alt H. The first part I want to talk about you can see the word called Calibri. Calibri. Can you see the word called Calibri here? Calibri.
Yes.
From Calibri, so this is called font face, basically FF. So you can see the Alt H. You can see the FF, basically font face. When you click on the font face, there are the multiple things we have. Multiple font sizes, multiple fonts we have.
Similarly, for 2023 and 24.
Multiple fonts we have. So here, data vision. Which font of the data vision currently? What is the font of the font face of the data vision? What is the font face of the data vision?
18.
Font face. Font size is 18. Font
It's
face is
Calibri,
the
right?
Calibri. Exactly. Now I want to change to Calibri to, let's say, Aptos. My favorite is the Aptos. Aptos display. Have you observed any difference? This is the Aptos. Now let's say change the Aptos to Calibri. Do you see any difference between these two? Do you see any difference in between these two? Yes or no? No?
Height will be different, I think.
Sorry?
Height will be different.
Yeah. Size same only. 18. Here's the 18. Both will be this. So the font face now we understand. Now I want to change the Aptos display to ABD. See how that. Now ABD to, let's say, Times New Roman. Aptos narrow. From Aptos narrow to Aharoni. See. Aharon to Times New Roman. Times New Roman to head extra black. Something different thing. Now can you try in your system? Open Excel and can you try in your system? Everyone? I'll give 1 minute of time. Please don't waste much time here. Understood? Yes or no? If you're active in the session, then only you can able to learn. If you're not active in the session, you could not able to learn anything. Am I right,
Clear,
Ramya?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please do it.
Yes.
Please do it fast, everyone. Okay, done. Yes or no? Now we discuss. Now 1 second. Now change the font style. Basically, FS basically. Font style, we change the font style. Make it bold. How do I make it the bold? Here the one, let's say I have taken the Calibri. Here there is a, under the font face, there is a B. B is nothing but B. Control B I can use. Control B. right? Control B now is bold. Control I means italic, bold and italic. Control U means underline. Can you see the underline? Control U means again if you press it, it will remove the underline. If you press again Control I, it is the italic. Control U. So it is a bold, italic, underline. Understood? Is it clear? Yes or no? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are able to follow me, everyone? Any confusion? Any confusion? Please. Darshan? Any confusion? Any confusion? Okay, perfect. Right, perfect. Now I want to understand about the okay, change the font style, make it bold. Okay, now we understand make it bold. Now let me explain. For example, I have taken name called KSR. What is the font of the KSR now? What is the font of the KSR? Can anyone guess what is the
Calibri.
font of the
Calibri.
Okay. Now from Calibri, I want to change to Times New Roman. Now is it changed to Times New Roman? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I
Yes.
want to change. I want to make it bold. What is the what is the shortcut for bold?
Control B.
Control B. Okay. Now I want to make italic. Then I want to make only italic.
Control
Then
I.
what should Control I? If I now Control I, now it is bold and italic. I want to remove the bold. Then what should I do?
Again, press Control B.
Again, press the Control B. Okay. Very good. Now we understand about the change font style. We make understand. Change the color. So here you can see the two options. You can see the alignment two options. One is yellow color, fill color. Second is about the font color. The font color, change the color to red. Now earlier it is a black. Now I change to the red. Instead of red, I want to change to green. I want to change to some other color. What is this? What color is it? What color is it?
Red.
What color then it is? Dark red and it is good contrast, simple red sample. Okay, this is a low contrast orange, right? This is the dark red. So this is the, if I select the dark red, or if I want to select, what about this? Dark tail accent one lighter 40%, like this, whatever the color you want to, you can make it. Understood? And size font must be 16. Now the font is 18. Now I want to change to 16. So I want to change to 16. Right. Or I want to change to 20. Or I want to change to 22. Okay, like this I will do. So I will do one thing. The entire context. Can you take one example by taking your name, change the font style, make it bold, change the color to red, size of the font must be 16. Can you do one immediately one example? Abhishek Singh? Abhishek Singh, are able to do? Anant Lakshmi, Lokesh, Anil Kumar, Arun, Deepika, Dilip, Akash Vardhan, Ganesh, Nuri, Neelima, Paritosh, Ramya, Vima. Will you able to do everyone? Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Yes. Okay, everyone done? Now let's say. Okay. Now let's understand about the next example. One example we done. One change the number format to two decimal point. So I'm trying to take another example. Change the now we everyone clear about this? Change the number format to two decimal and position format to the currency. So now we have taken some characters, right? Now I want to take the 50,000. The number. Now I'm taking the number. Here, basically, this is the number part. This is the number part. This is the number part. We are taking about the number part. General, you can see dollar symbol, right? If you go to the, where is the number? Which cell we are in now currently? Which cell are we in currently? Which cell are we in currently?
5.
Which 5?
F5.
Yes.
F5.
F5. F5, correct. Now, what is the number we have given here? What is the number we have given?
50K.
50,000, right? Now I want to, does 50,000 any decimals?
No.
Now, here can you see the number? Can you see the number? Everything in the ribbon? Number. In the number, you can see the one is the right arrow, second is the left arrow. If you click in the right, I mean, what is this? What arrow you take? Left arrow, we increase the decimals. So change the number format to 2 decimal. And what currency is it now? What currency now? It is in dollar. By default showing the dollar. I want to change to United dollars. See, $50,000. I want to change to euro. Now everyone have a question. Why don't you change to India, right? Right? Then control 1. Click on the cell, control 1. Automatically it suggests you to go to the format cells. So here the format we are talking about the number. We are taking how many decimals we want? 2. And every 1,000 use the 1,000 separator. You don't want to use 1,000 separator? Then click OK. It will remove the separator. But control 1, always better to use 1,000 separator. See. And then I want to add in the accounting or in the currency, I want to add the symbol. Which symbol I want? So what is our Indian currency? What is Indian currency?
Rupees.
Rupees.
P.
I could not check it if I missed it.
INR.
I don't know. Let's see. INR. 1 second. INR. When I click on the INR, see. Is our symbol is INR?
No.
No, right. What is our symbol?
Rupee.
Rupee, right.
Yeah.
Right. Now I want to go to the control 1 again. Here symbol, or you can go to the accounting symbol, or you can go to the INR if you want symbols. But look into here, Indian rupee anywhere. Can you see? Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Bengali, right? English rupee. Can you see here, everyone? Telugu rupee, Tamil rupee. I mean, Devanagari, Malayalam. I don't have any specific, but I want to support the Kashmir, Kashmiri. Let's say, let me put the Kashmiri rupee like this. Right. After Pahalgam incident, I want to support Kashmir. Let's say put the Kashmiri rupee. It doesn't matter if you put the Kashmiri rupee, Tamil rupee, Telugu rupee, everything is same. Doesn't matter. Everything will be the same only. Make sense? Understood? And format the currency. So we format its currency. Today's format the currency. Now we understand, right? How to format the currency, right? You want to put the comment, right? Different dollars you want, whichever the currency you want, more accounting format, Chinese you want to take. Let's say you want to take English India. Let's say you want to take Euro. Let's say United States you want to take. Let's say you want to take French, Switzerland, CHF. Like this, we can able to do. Can you try with one example? I will give 1 minute of time. Please do. Please do. Make sense, guys? Is it clear? Are you able to follow me? Anyone? Where Baba are able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Darshan, Dilip, Kalyan, Mali, Maurya, Kavya, Shiv, are able to follow me? Venkat,
Yes,
Sai,
sir.
Varshit,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Are able to follow me? Do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Just 30 more, 30 more second, 30 second more. Please do it fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, perfect. Now let's understand the merge cell deal with the long strings accommodated in a cell. Merge cell deal with a long string. Look in here, very, very interesting. Very, very. Let's say KSR Data Vision is a nice platform, is wonderful platform to learn data science, right? And data science and generative AI. Right. Now look in here. Look in here. What is your feeling by looking into this? What is your opinion? Please to motivate me something, sir. It look nice. You should say something. Okay, fine. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, guys, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now here, is it not the good platform to learn data science? Is it not a good platform to learn the data science? Come on. Maybe
Yes,
it's
sir.
not. Okay, look at it. Now here, let's say, now is if you look in the cell, is it whatever the data we said is in the single cell or it is multiple cells? Is it accompanied or is it is it expanded to multiple cells? What is your opinion?
Single cell.
But entire content in the single cell or in the multiple cells?
No, it's single
Single
cell.
cell.
Single cell only. But single cell. But as a human, as a layman, if you look into here, right? As a human, if you look into here, it expanded to multiple cells, right? From
Yeah, that's right.
from G2 till L, right? However, the entire content is in the single cell. With the entire content in the single cell G4, nothing is there in the H4, right? Olden. But if someone reading this as a layman who don't know anything about Excel, if someone is reading this, do you think will be able to understand? Definitely not. Definitely not. To overcome this kind of issues, what we need to do, we need to work with a concept of merge cell, deal with a long string. It is a deal with a long string. It is a entirely deal with the long string, which is started from G4 and expanded to till L. But what we need to do here in the alignment, can you see the alignment? In between the font and number, there is section called alignment. In the alignment, what has happened? There is a merge. There is a thing called wrap text. There is a wrap text, or there is a thing called margin. There is a wrap text. Let's discuss about the wrap text. Now look into here. Is everything in the single cell? Is everything in the single cell? Now I need to right click. Okay. Is everything in the single cell? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, right. Now this column width, go to this, right? Everything in the single cell. Now I want to adjust. So there is a plus symbol. I want to adjust both the rows and columns. Now entire information is fitted in a single cell. Now here there is an alignment of center alignment, right? There is a left alignment. There is a right alignment. They're starting from there, right? Center. This is how it should be like center. And here orientation. Do you want angle vertical? Do you want angle clockwise? Do you want to write vertical text? Do you want to write rotate text? Do you want rotate text down? Do you want to rotate, right? Format cell alignment, right? How you want to format? Look into here. Horizon, right? So look into here. How does it look like? Right. Vertical should be bottom. Right. Context. right? That's how it will be, right? And clockwise, rotate text up, rotate text down, counterclockwise, right? Vertical text, something, format cell, right? You want to take degrees, how many degrees you want? See, I want degrees, the text, how it is coming. Now, degrees, 0 degrees, normal thing. If I click on control one, if I click on the control one, you want to minus 120 degrees. So look into the word called text. How does it look like? Minus 120. How does it look like the text? Right? Minus 90 to 91, it is accepting. See, this is the 90 to 90. Control one. Look into here. I'm changing to 89. See how it is happening. Are you able to see, guys? Are you able to see? Are you able to see?
Yes, yes.
Now, how many degrees we have now? What is the degree? Text.
Define.
35.
45.
45.
45,
45. This is how it looks like. Understood? Sometimes, even honestly speaks, till I become an expert, no one expert in this world. Everyone said I'm expert in a particular technology. No one expert. Till I become comfortable with any language. Earlier I thought how the people used to write. They simple use the angle clockwise, right? That's what they do. Are you clear about this? Now, what is the 45 degrees? Now, control one, I want to make the degrees to 0 so that you'll get the normal thing. That's it. Understood? Now, any questions, guys? Any doubt? Okay, are you clear about this? Will you able to do this example? Now, any doubt about the merge cell, deal with the long style? Okay, let's do one thing. I have written some information. Merge cell, I mean, multiple cell, okay, merge cell. Multiple columns, that is a different we'll discuss. Next thing is change the border color, border thickness, and the all fill color in the background of the cell. I'm writing here. Now, can you discuss about this? Okay. Okay. What does it mean? Think it. What does it mean? Change the border color, border thickness, and fill color in the background of the cells. So now, so far, what we discuss about the alignment. We discuss about the number. We
Hey,
discuss about the
what?
font. Sanath, please keep the mics in mute. We discuss about the alignment. We discuss number. Here we discuss about the font. However, in the font also we have not discussed about the border. This is the border color. So if I'm taking something like data vision, let's say I'm taking something KSR data vision. So there is an option. First, I want to remove all these things. Go to the view. There is a function called view. This is everything called grid lines. This is everything called grid lines. Right? This is the grid line. Simple say these are all the things which have lines are called grid lines. So in the view, there is an option called grid lines. You select that, you can see. If you untick it, you'll remove the grid lines. Now look into that. Change the border color. This is the border. Let's see. All borders. I put the all borders. This is the border. See, this is the border. Border color. I want to change the border color. How do I change? How do I change? Can anyone guess? See, this is everything coming. Now I want to change the only border color. Go to here. Thick outside borders. Can you see a word called thick outside borders? Can you see thick outside borders? Now I want to change the thick outside border to line color to, let's say, my bad. So my bad. 1 second. My bad. I did some mistake. 1 second. Hey. Why it is coming? Okay. See here. Draw border. So there is an option called draw border. Draw border. I'm checking the color also. Which color you want to line color should be red. This is a thick line. The thick line, border color. You want to change the border color to maybe, I mean, not border color here, you need to change the border color, line color. Maybe should be to the orange. See, orange. Is it changed? Yes or no? Right. Next is eraser borders. So you want to erase the borders. Right. Are you able to see, guys? Erase the borders. Simple. Next, draw the border grid. So we want to draw the border grid again. So, and you want to left, I mean, you want to only thick bottom border. Only the thick, whatever the thick bottom border, using the line color of red. See here. Only thick bottom border. This is the thick. Are you able to understood? Are you able to follow me? Are you confusion? Is it clear or confusion? Or do you want me to take the extra cell and do I need to explain? Come on, come on. Change the background, fill in the background. So this is the here the background. Maybe the background is here yellow. The background is here something called orange. The background something called index, right? The normal color of the words, like as a detergent color should be like black. Should be black, right? Right. You can see the border, right? Line style, what line you want? Single line. Right. And like which color you want, more borders. How you want, right? See, this is how you can see the better way. Border lines. Which border? None of the border. First is none. You want outlines, only outlines. See, this is the outlines. You want thick outlines? This is the thick outlines. Thick outlines. See, can you see thick outlines? You want no borders? This is the no borders. This is the only thick outside, no border. This side, right side. Right side, text, right? Up, right? Right, outline. This is the outline of the border. Outline. Or you want to change the color. See, if you want like dotted line. This is dotted lines. See, dot lines. Or you want a dash lines. See, when I click on the dash lines. See. Or you want some slab flash like kind of thing. Right. Right. Format cells, right? You can check the font, which font you want, which color you want, the background you want a red color, or the calibre, you want bold, italic, what font you want, what font you want to consider, let's say 12, 14, right? You want regular, normal thing, italic you want, bold you want, or bold, italic you want, right? Font, which font you want, like Abdi, right? So do you want underline, single underline, or do you want double, right? Single accounting, right? More thickness, double accounting, right? But none, generally we don't like. Strike through, right? You want to cancel it. Strike through is a really useful, uh, really useful. When strike through means, let me give you a simple example. Who can be a volunteer here to consider the name? Anil. Are you there, Anil Kumar? Who is experienced people in this group? Anyone with more than 10 years experience? Nuri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Nuri, let me go with the Nuri. As Nuri responded, Sanat, I'll take you another time next time. Nuri, what is your experience, Nuri?
8 years.
Okay, Nuri. Okay, Nuri, I given you one document to review. Okay, I given you one document, SMS spam classified document, something.
One minute. Is it possible for you can maximize the screen? No.
Not possible, right? You can possible
okay.
means not possible, sir. People may get confused.
No. The screen looks very small. The window.
No, this is the 100 size I'm taking. This one is not
Okay.
possible. This one is not possible, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Even I don't have an option also to maximize.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
See, I given one document, like I given one document. I given one Word document. Okay, let's see. We'll generate the one document. Okay, let's see. Here only I will generate the one document. Can you generate some content? Which is the favorite topic, guys? On movies. People like movies, right? The evolution of cinema. I don't need forget about this. I don't need what is there and all. Forget about this. Now I given this document to you. Okay, Nuri. Not only Nuri, everyone. You identified an example. You identified, you are reviewing this document. You said that you thought about that complex character. There is a word called complex character. To explore, you want to add more thing. So if I add more here, for example, forget about whether right or wrong, forget about for timing. If you share document again with me, how do I know where you have added the changes? How do you know where I have added the changes? Or how would I know where you have added the changes? Difficult to remember, right?
Yes.
There is an option in Word document. There is an option in the Word document review. There is an option called review. Can you see there is a word called track change for everyone? So if you start adding here, often people think that, forget about what I am writing. Typical people think that movies are having lot of cast and co-cast featuring. Okay, forget about that. Now, do you observe any difference? Do you observe any
Yes.
difference? What is that?
While changing the track, we can see the red mark.
You can see the
Yeah.
red mark. And okay,
Yeah.
okay, that is correct. That means I've added. Suppose I don't want this statement. What about now?
Okay, cancel that one. Red
Cancel.
mark.
That is called striking. That
Okay.
is called striking. So striking is a really, really important concept, guys. Maybe at the initial career, maybe 3, 5 years, 10 years of that, it could not be helpful. When you are in the senior positions, while reviewing a document or while reviewing or leading a team, this feature is really, really important. Here in Excel also, we have while dealing with any text data or anything, we have an option called strike through. Subscript. So subscript means below, under. There is an option called strike through. Now, when you strike through, what do you observe here? Cancel, right?
Yes.
That is what the meaning of strike through. Understood the context, everyone? Understood the context, guys, everyone? Are not clear? Vima? Is it clear or not clear?
In which option you went this one, format cell?
So format cell, what I did, I select the cell, I just press the Control N. So in the font, I go in the effects. Can you see the effects? In the effects, strike through. When I click, so automatically KSR data vision strike through. Of course, I remove this, select it. Understood? Understood, guys? Any questions, any doubt? Hello, are you able to follow me or no? Okay, change the background. In the 4 points, anyone are not clear any point, kindly let me, I can explain one more time. Anyone? Anyone? You're not clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now I've taken another data. Let me take an example. 2016, I have taken another data. This is a country. I have taken some data. Yesterday also I have taken this data. So no borders. Let's say simple no border. Now this is the file I have taken. This is the file I have taken. Okay, this is the 158 records I have. Now first thing, this is the data. Let's say for a better understanding, I've reduced the font. So I don't need all the columns also. Let's take an example of 5 to 6 columns for your better understanding in the sheet too. Okay. Now for this is the file. Okay, now we understand whatever perform single cell. Now I want to make the header. Header should be in bold. What should I do? What should I do? Header. What is the header here in this case? What is the header? Yesterday also we discussed an example for header. What is the header in this case?
Country.
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 Row
Only
one.
country is the country.
Row 1.
Entire row 1 is the head, right? Country. Now I want to make the bold. How do I select the entire first row? First column. Sorry, first row. Row 1. Control Shift right arrow. Control Shift right arrow. It will select the entire row. What is the shortcut to select the entire row? Can someone spell out what is the shortcut to select the entire row? Control Shift. Control Shift right arrow.
Right arrow. Right arrow.
Right arrow. Okay. If we want to select the particular column, only particular column. So put the cursor. Control Shift down arrow. Okay. Now someone can summarize it. If you want, because very, very important, guys. That is the reason. Let me pick one name, one person name. I mean, it doesn't mean that I have some interest on that person. No, randomly picking. Maurya, are you there? Maurya, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the shortcut to select the row? What is the shortcut to select the row? What is the shortcut to select the row?
Control Shift right arrow.
Control Shift right arrow is the shortcut to select the row. What is the shortcut to select the column?
Control Shift down arrow.
Control Shift down arrow. Okay, that is correct. Now I want to, we understand Control Shift. Now I want to first row, that is column should be bold. What should I do? I select it. I want to make it bold. What should I do? What should I do? I need to use Control B. Make sense? For this, I want to, these are the cells, right? I want to make the background color to be red. Clear? And font color should be something like, what color is good? No, right? What color is good? On background, what is the background color is good? I'm very weak in the, what is the background color? Let's say blue. Oh, blue. Where is the dark blue? Blue. I'm very weak in blue, light blue.
No, white it will be good.
White. Anything. So, and black. Now it is, how is it? Okay. Or you can check the background is no color. You don't want to put any color. So white means no fill. That means white only it will consider. Make sense, Srinivas? Yes, right? Now, and then I select this. Okay. And then I want to put the borders for everything. Control Shift right arrow and then Control Shift down arrow. What will happen? Control Shift right arrow and Control Shift down arrow will select the entire table, whatever the information you have. Then go to the border, all borders you have. All borders. That is how I have taken this. All borders you have. All borders you have. And alignment. See, the header should be center point, all the data center, middle, right? All about, right? Makes sense. How does it look like now? How does the file look like? And go to the view, remove the grid lines. How does it look like? How does it look like? How does it look like? Tell me. I want to make the first row also should be inside one more row. So now how does it look like? Is it look like clean, right? Okay. Now, do you like the border color should be red, or do you want to change the border color something? Control 1. What is the border color you want? Like, go to the border. I have chosen the red, right? I don't want red, the black color. All the borders should be black, right? And also I want color like dotted colors, or even like dotted like this. Right. See, how does it look like now? Right? Or for your better understanding, let me put the one more column blank. Then you can see that. Right? Select it, go to the control, and this is the one which you have not done it. This is the reason which will be dotted, like everything dotted. Now got some idea how to perform this? Any questions, any doubt? Got some idea how to do this?
No, in border you are selecting, right line, left line.
No. See, go to the select the table, entire table, control shift down, right arrow, down arrow. Selected the data. Okay. Yes or no?
Yeah, okay.
Go to the press the control 1 in the keyboard.
No, here I'm
Control.
asking your style is there, right? The dotted and dash. So
No.
every
See.
time every time you have to select manually, right side, left side, up and down.
Manually, there is no other option.
Okay.
Here. So here, whatever the color you want to put this color like this. This manually you need to select. There is no other option.
If I selected that style is I selected, for example, dotted. Okay. If I select that dotted, here presets are there, right? Above.
Where is the presets?
None, outline, inside, everything is there, right?
Here. You mean to say here?
Yeah, here. Okay.
Yeah, you mean to say here. Where we are talking, Dilip?
No, we are selecting the total data, right? If you select
Correct.
the total data, you are getting that. Now you are getting the tick lines, right? Like a table.
Correct.
Row
Correct.
and columns. Okay, if you selected everything and go to that format one.
1 second. 1 second. I'll go there. Control 1. Okay.
Okay. You go there. You are selecting here right side. That border is there, right? First you are selecting the dotted one. Then you are selecting right, left, up, down, right? For total.
Yeah.
I'm
This one.
asking, is there any option to, total, like instead of selecting right, left, is there an option to select?
You can select the outline. Then no, directly there is no option, sir.
Okay, sure.
There is no other option.
Okay.
You want what outline you want to inside, you want what things you want, you can select it. But for example, I want this line like this. I want the borderline should be thick. This borderline should be thick. I want center line should be something like this. I want rows should be something like this.
Okay.
I want the border like different thing options, right? There's no such option. So upline something. Now I've chosen different things, right? See now. Different things I've selected now.
Okay, got it.
There's no other such options, sir.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
Is it interesting or boring? Is it interesting or boring? But trust me, guys, when you're presenting a report, your report should be very clean and very neat formatted. Majority of the managers and senior managers, when you submitting a report, they always look, is your report is clean or not? These are all things they will check. So for example, for column header, what background color you have given? Is it as per the company norms or not? Right, everything they'll check. You're given, let's say my company background is color is let's say tail one. So this is the color, and the letter should be like let's say something white color like this. So this is if it is a company policy, as per the company policy, it should be like this. If you go to Microsoft, something will be different. If you go to EXL, something will be different. If you go to Amazon, the color formatting as per the company norms, it will be there. So learning the formatting of Excel file is really, really important. People get a lot of issues to format data. They don't know the standards. If you want to be productive of your work, you should be follow the standards. Am I right? Sanat, is it clear? Am I right? Do you agree?
What is the shortcut to add columns?
Add columns, huh? Sorry, what is the question?
Yeah, to add shortcuts. What shortcut to add columns?
You want to add new column? Sir, what question you are asking? I did not understand.
In between contain region, if we add one column, insert column, is there any shortcut?
Then go to here, insert here.
No, any shortcut?
Need to check. In everything difficult remember for me also.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe.
Sir, your voice is muted, kind of.
Is it? My voice is muted? Guys, not able to hear me? No, sir, clear. Perfect. I think, Sanat, I think my voice is clear only. Anyone are facing my issue with my voice, do let me know. Okay, perfect. Now that's it. Now I want to see, this is the one. Now, look into here. I've done one example. Can you see, listen carefully, very, very important point I'm explaining. Norway, like this is the data. Can you see here the row number 5? Can you see the row number 6? Can you see the row number 6? Okay. I want to hide the row number 6. What should I do? Select the in between numbers, hide it. You can see all these things not available. If you want to unhide, suppose if I selected Control Y. If you want to unhide, go to select, unhide option. I want to increase the width, Australian, I want to increase the width. So what should I go to that? Can you see here, particular column? Width. One second. Format cell. Okay. Fill is clear. Font is clear. Alignment is clear. Number is clear. We have taken the different numbers, scientific number, text number, anything. Right? Now, there is an option called row height. Can you see the row height? So row height is 23.4. Let's say I make it 30. Do you see any difference now compared to row number 10 and 11? Suppose I want to make, can you see the row height? Let's say I want to make it 1000. Let's say 100. Can you see any difference now? Row number 8, 11, 10 and all. Right? So what we have done, we have increased the row height, particular row. You want to increase the row height. So by default will be this. So by default height, let's say we go to the 7. Row height is the row number 23.4 for, each row height is 23. So I want to change row height to, let's say 30. This is how I can change to 30. Right? Row height, select it, row height. Similarly, if I want to select the column height, see column width. So 26.6 let's say column width. I want to increase the width of the column. Let's say 45. Is it see? Are you able to follow me? How I have increased the row and width and column, row width, row height and width of the column width and height of the row. Understood how I have changed it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood? This is a very important concept of this. Okay, now height and cell border style we discussed, cell background color we discussed, alignment, merge, wrap text, number formatting, font face, color style, everything we discussed. In tomorrow, we will discuss about the sheet formatting. Okay, that's it for today. By today, we have completed the free class also. Now, if you want to enroll for the course, go to the courses. Here, we are starting the paid class. If you want to enroll as part of the data science full course, entire full course, Here is an option, data science generative AI. This is the one we started. The entire course will be 35,000. It include the Excel, SQL, Python, PySpark, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. And for the freshers, we are also providing the internship, right? For the freshers. So I don't want to data science. I want to only the Excel course. Then here is the Excel course, advanced Excel with AI automation, AI and automation. The course is 1,000 rupees. You can go there. You can buy it now, right? If you want the full data science course, you can go to the paid sessions. You can go to the paid sessions and you can buy from the data science with generative AI. From tomorrow onwards, it is a paid class. Okay, it will, yeah.
How many days it will take, sir? Data science with Gen AI?
6 months, sir.
6 months.
Yeah.
Sir, what's your name?
Koti.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this data science course, what are the tools can we cover?
We are covering Python,
Mhm.
Excel tool. I mean, in the Excel, we are covering. So let's say, let's take an example. I want to build a one machine learning model. What we do, we build a machine learning model by using Excel, by using writing our own code, and by using the existing libraries, we can write the code of machine learning. So that is where we do. Like deep learning also does the same task. And of course, for AI and all, we have the corresponding libraries. We will discuss about those libraries. Yeah. Is it clear,
Sir,
Srinivas? Any?
is there any day-to-day activities we can do at home for the
Yeah.
next session?
Yeah, definitely. So here, today I given one assignment, right? I give an example. So everything, if you go to the Excel
No,
after
in
every
online like that, is there any LMS type?
this is LMS only, right? You can give the link and everything will provide the yeah. This is LMS only.
For a single person, we have separate LMS to submit our.
Assignment, yeah, you can submit your assignment. So for example, if you go to the Google Drive, we have the, for example, Python code. I'm just showing the Python code for April batch. So we have what we will do. One assignment, we can submit, student submission will be there. Here we create the 4 people names and we can create that. They can submit their assignment in their own here and there. And my codes and my files, my assignments, I will here. I will add the data sets, corresponding data sets will here add.
Okay.
Right? Some people could not able to submit in the Google LMS. We can submit there in Google Drive. We'll verify it. We have mentors. We'll verify the details.
Okay.
See, after the every class, I will give the Google Colab we use. So in the Google Colab, there is a file called Google Colab. Let's say I'm opening the one file example. Python. I'm just talking about the Python example. So Excel also will upload all the files in the LMS. So here we have an option to share. Directly we have an option to share, right? We'll add the people automatically. You can see these are the people who have shared the files automatically, everyone. So automatically no need to send the files every day. Automatic files are just I will open the codes every day here. You'll get the files.
Okay. Through Google Colab, we have to share our file.
That means for Python, I'm talking about Python, PySpark, machine learning, and all.
Okay.
What happens if you upload some data sets in LMS, some CSV file, Excel file sometimes may not support. Sometimes it get corrupted while encrypting. This is the best
But
way
in
to share.
RAM is sufficient for our laptop?
Madam, you have 15 GB, right?
Yes, yes.
Why you need?
16.
See, sorry, 60. Why you need RAM? Everything is working based on the Google Drive, right? Open one
Some of
Google.
the deep learning algorithms, while I run in Google Colab, it says that a GPU is needed.
Then you can
Not
buy it for 1 TB or 250 rupees spend amount, and you can buy for the time being.
okay. Okay.
Right. Next question. See, these are the things with foundation, Python, SQL, data wrangling, machine learning, cloud deployment. We can also cloud MLOps basics also. Deployment, CI/CD pipeline, model deployment. We cover the different projects, right? End-to-end projects, right? Maybe they have not added anything details. Now, any questions next, please?
Sir, can I have some personal talk to you, some regards to my career?
Regards your
Career.
yes, if you want,
I
you can
have
talk.
personal question I want to ask.
Is it a good plan? I mean, is it okay to talk in front of everyone, or you want to talk personally?
It's like I want to have some. Right now I'm searching for job, so I need to have some experience regarding to my. I have some gap, 5 to 6 months gap. I want to cover that by using some.
Not required, man. Don't go to the false experience and all. Tell what in your resume what you do. Put the till you are working. Currently, you are working, right? If you don't put your, let's say you ended by January, you won't get the calls. Assume that people are not working. In order to get the call, what is the best way to do? In your resume, say that you are working. But once you crack the interview by submit the document, I've not updated my resume. Till I worked till January. From last 6 months or 5 months, I have taken some personal break due to family issues. If required, create some medical document. That's how you
Okay.
can
Can
do.
you provide some experience
But
from US?
see, we won't provide any experience to anyone.
Okay.
Why you need to go with unnecessary false or fake experience? Why you want to take tensions or get your headache? Get headache.
Okay.
You have only 5 6 months of gap, then better
Yes.
don't go with don't go with any experience, false experience. In your resume, say that you are working till date. However, well, once you crack the interview, tell that I worked till January. I'm on break due to some family issues. But don't tell that I want to take my father, I want to take some my kids and all. Tell that
Okay.
tell something people will convince. Okay, right?
Okay.
That's how you can able to get it.
Okay.
That is our advice to our students. Yeah. Next thing.
Hi, Koti.
Yeah.
This is Shiva.
Shiva, good. Yeah, hi Shiva. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. My question is there any changes in class timings? Because I will be traveling to Canada in July. I wanted to check in advance. That's
See, you want, I mean, class timings 99% of them will be the same only. In worst case, 1 or 2 cases are just that is the reason I'm using about. See, in case if you could not able to attend here, again we have the class in the morning 7 o'clock. Of course, now it is in Python. It is going in the about to finish the Python. Whenever it is not possible here, you can attend there. Or another batch, whenever you start, within 1 year, you can attend one more time for the same content.
7 a.m. class, right? You are saying
7 a.m. India time, IST.
Okay. And I want small suggestion from you. Actually, currently I'm working on SQL, SSS, Power BI. Okay.
Correct. Okay.
Would it be suitable for me to take the data science course, or would you suggest going for the multi-cloud like Azure and Fabric course instead?
Let me be honest with you, Shiva.
Okay.
See, if you are learning as a Power BI, Power BI is just a kind of visualization tool. Am I right?
Yes.
So what generally it does at a high level, you produce the reports and you submit the report to your stakeholders. Am I right? How long, at one point of time, all the reports get automated, right?
Definitely.
Then you want to increase your salary or you want to growth in a career. What should you do? Is Power BI sufficient?
No.
Definitely no. You need to look for an advanced opportunities. In that case, in your case, you have two different kind of streams. One is the data science, second is data engineering.
Yes.
That is the multi-cloud data engineering. What data engineering does basically in simple layman language, you have a data, as of now you have a data. By using existing data, you are creating the reports. Simple to say, am I right?
Yes.
Let me explain it in simple. Let me explain it. Let's say, we have a data. You have the data. You have multiple data files and all. From this, you create some reports, graphs and all. Right? I mean, just writing, right? This is your automation report on dashboard. Am I right? Right? So where do you get this data? You have a data. This is the report. Where do you get this data? You will get the data from different data source, right?
Yes.
The data source, who will give the data? The data will give by the data engineers. Data, what is the role of data engineer? He collect the data from various sources, maybe various sources, data sources. And then he clean the data and create a pipeline, ensure that you have a single data or multiple data, clean data. This is the work of data engineers. Understood, Shiva?
Yes.
And then this is the work of data analyst, creating the dashboards and all. Once you create the dashboards, by using existing data, you need to understand the trends, patterns, and predict the future. That kind of work will do by the data scientist. Here in the data engineer, you to create the pipelines and all, to clean the data and all, you require more coding. Lot of coding, complexity is high. Here, data scientist code is required. However, the complexity of the code is very less compared to data engineers. And here, majority of the people, end of the day, they look into this area, business people. They want to reduce this, they want to increase the revenue, they want to reduce their cost. Majority of people focus here. Hence, my suggestion, my personal suggestion, focusing data science area is better than data engineering. I hope you understood, right? Entire picture.
Yes, yes, I understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Gode. Thank you.
Thank you, Shiva. Yeah. Next question.
Oh yeah, hi. I have a question, different question regarding your another course, which is ADF with Microsoft Fabric. So I just want to know what is the duration of this course, and does it require coding if I want to enroll for that course as well?
Sorry, sir. Which course, sir? I lost you. I'm sorry. Which course you said?
ADF with Microsoft Fabric.
ADF with Microsoft Fabric is, if I'm not wrong, which the course fees is 10K, subject to correction,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
number.
Yeah, but I think it's. My question is, what is the duration of the course? And
I think
if
1
I want
month.
to,
I think 1
okay,
month.
and do I need to learn coding as well for
For
that?
that, I think not required.
Not required, no? Okay. No, this is my just question because I thought you
Yeah.
know about it. So
Yeah, I knew,
okay.
but I knew it is the coding is not required. We will provide the license for Fabric.
Yeah, I know.
We are the
Yeah.
authorized partners of Microsoft, okay, sir.
I think it's starting in June 19 or something. I checked it on your
I
website.
knew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Next. Yeah. Yes, Gopal.
Hi, Siva. Hi, Kodi.
Yeah.
Do you have any recordings for data science, only recording sessions
Yeah, we have from previous batch.
from previous batch? Okay. And do you have Power Automate
Regarding
sessions as
in data
Power
science?
Automate? Yeah.
No. Power Automate is a different course. Data science is a different course.
Do you have
For
any
Power,
recording sessions available?
yeah, we have available for Power Automate also.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, next. Any other question?
Hello. Cody, I'm working as a BA developer.
One by one. Dilip, yeah. One by one. I'll answer all your questions, please.
Okay.
Dilip, go ahead.
Pleasure.
Please go ahead, Dilip.
Yeah. Okay. And before I told I'm working as a BA developer, I mean, you mentioned in the course, I mean, prompt engineering also you will teach or?
Yeah, prompting is a part of the course, data science course.
Okay. I think I don't want this. I mean, when will be that course will start, prompt engineering? After Excel or how it will be?
See, prompt engineering, if you want to see, if you want to directly only prompt engineering is not at all useful, sir, in the real world. I would suggest to go to the YouTube videos, anyone which is
For
available
prompt engineering.
on the internet. Yeah, but in real world, just learning the prompt engineering, it is not at all useful to you. I don't want to take money for wrong reasons, for wrong things.
Yeah, that's very true. Very true. what you're saying is true. There is no actually a course for a prompt engineering. I mean, you can learn it on the YouTube as well.
Yeah, but here, even if I charge it, does not make sense. I don't want to put my heart for unnecessary. Sorry. And the thing, even if you want to learn prompting, you can learn something how to build the deep learning AI models using the no code based algorithms. But no prompting people, they don't teach you that. But even if you learn that also tomorrow, what if company, none of the company, they don't want to go with ChatGPT, they want to build their own. If you want to build serious career in AI, just don't live only on prompt engineer.
Okay, now I'm trying to build one app, so I'm using that Google Studio for that coding and all. So that's the reason. I mean, I need to improve that prompts. So that's the reason I'm asking.
That is, then you can don't, then it is not part of the prompt engineering. You can say no code based AI tools, such that it will be covered, but I will cover after the deep learning only, not now. It may take some time.
Okay. Now, machine learning and deep learning, how
You
it will,
know?
I mean,
Sorry.
no, machine learning, you told, right? Machine learning and deep learning.
How is it related to
So,
it, right?
yeah.
See, you are using Google Studio and all. What if tomorrow Google is not there? Google stop
What?
that feature. You want to create your own
If you
application.
think like that, right? If everyone stop that using AI, right? So then it will be very difficult, right? So
See. One
some
thing.
organizations will.
See. Now what companies are doing, they are
Hmm.
trying to create their own applications. So once you
Yeah.
get the data, how to clean, how to process the data, what is happening in the background. That's what I
Yeah.
am. My way of thought, my way of thinking. Whether join the course, not does not. I mean, not join. That is a different story.
Hmm.
Always try to understand what is happening in the background of the algorithm. Then
Okay.
you can create your own applications rather than relying on someone. So for this, what you need to do if you want to build an LLM application, so you're building some app, there is an LLM application, right? Prompts and all. For that, the background, the architecture of this is the transformations. The transformations are transformer language, a transformation. The transformation coming a concept of encoders and decoders, which is a part of NLP.
Okay.
So you are getting the prompt right. How you are getting the next word? How your system is responding? How have you ever thought about that? ChatGPT is giving the answer. How ChatGPT is giving the answer as the next word? How it is picking it? What algorithm is working background of it? That is really important. That's what I will teach you that. For that, we need to understand about the topic modeling, language modeling concepts.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yes, Shroteja, go ahead.
Hello,
Yeah.
Koti sir.
Yes,
Uh,
Shroteja, go.
yeah, I need a advice from your side.
Yes, please.
Coming to my side, I am talking very genuinely. Don't
Yes,
think it
please
as
go.
badly.
No. You have to speak genuinely, then only we can able to give the right suggestion. So
Yeah,
whenever you
yeah,
go to a lawyer, whenever you go to a doctor, always you need to be honest with
yeah,
100% transparency information. Yeah, like
yeah.
that. Similarly, if you yeah.
Yeah, coming to my side, I done my BSc Agriculture from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University
Okay.
from 2016 to 2020.
Where? In which college? I mean, Bhimram, which
Uh,
in Maharashtra?
yeah, no, Agra University.
Okay. Go ahead.
Uh, on that, to frankly say, I'm a purely fresher.
Mm.
So coming to that, due to COVID, the certification was led by university.
Mm.
So if I'm right now I'm doing job trials and present I'm searching a job. So if I go with the fake as a 5 years, it will be good. For otherwise for fresher, we will go. It will be good. But I mean for future, which industry I will be suitable for better
See,
future. How like I
let
will go, it will be good.
let me show. Let me tell you. If you want, I can show the video proof with KSR also.
Okay.
We have set of the people who migrated from agriculture BSc and then they have done MBA from one of the college in Rajasthan, Nayam or Nayam, something. I hope you know about the agriculture business of IGVS, something. They
Yeah.
migrated using Power BI and data science. In our case, strongly I suggest don't go with the fake experience. What I would suggest go is do some projects, learn the course, do some projects. We will help you in intern. Go with the intern, then try a job. Now, what happened if you go with the fake experience? Now, background verification is really tough. If you got caught, then again you need to start from the day one. Again, you need to look
Okay.
for the job. So I strongly suggest you not go with the fake experience. But
Okay,
earlier, if you
Mr.
worked in another domain, that would be really helpful.
But Koti, coming to be frankly, before that I completed my SAP SD software course in my native place, where I done it has no any industries like that development like sector. It's like that one. So how I will choose
Do you have
my
that?
career?
Have worked that or just learned the course?
No, I just learned that course.
Then learning course does not helpful.
Yes,
Otherwise,
yes,
do
that
one thing. Do one
yeah,
thing. Your case, few things I could not able to talk to you openly here, this forum.
yeah. That's not a
Yeah.
problem. Please
Do
do
one thing.
better side. Yeah,
Do
for
one
better.
thing. I will ask Mahesh to call you or call to this number. He can explain you in detail.
No, otherwise, I'm just asking which side sector I will go. It will be helpful for me. Just I
See,
need that service.
he can guide you in detail about that for you. Please talk to him. Few things I could not able to talk to you openly here. I mean, doesn't mean that I'm hiding something. The language I want to use, I could not able to use here to make you better understanding. That's it. Nothing else.
Okay, Mr. Thank you for me.
Don't take me wrong. Other way around.
Yeah. No, not a problem. Thanks for me.
Yeah. Thank you. Next question. Thank you all. If you don't have any further questions, let's connect tomorrow. I want to happy to see all of you in the register in the class.
Koti, my
Sanath, we will discuss tomorrow.
okay.
Yeah, because I need to jump in 7 minutes. I have another meeting. Let's discuss tomorrow. Anyhow, we'll be there, right?
Yes.
Thank you.